Yesterday, we received the tragic news of the fire that broke out in a hotel in Tarapet in Birbhum district in West Bengal, where 5 people from our state of Meghalaya lost their lives. I would like to express my deepest condolences to the members of the bereaved family. We have also decided to extend a support of 2 lakh rupees to each of the members of the bereaved family. At the same time, there are 6 members who were rescued, but they had sustained some injuries. The state government is fully with them to support them in any way possible in their need for any kind of medical attention. Our administration and our officials are in touch with the officials from West Bengal on a continuous basis to ensure that whatever help and whatever support that is required will be extended from our side, especially to the members of the bereaved family as well as to those who were injured. Thank you.